Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer your landing page with Carrd and link it from LinkedIn. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open your Carrd website in your browser. If you don't have an account, create one by signing up. Once logged in, click on the New Site button. Choose a template that suits your needs. Customize the template by adding your content. To edit text, click on the text box and type your information. You can adjust the font, size, and color in the Settings panel. To add images, click on the image placeholder and upload your image. You can resize and position the image as needed. If you want to add a button, click on Add Element and select Button. Customize the button text and link. Once your landing page looks the way you want, click on the Publish button. You'll be prompted to choose a subdomain for your site. Enter your preferred subdomain and confirm it. After publishing, copy the URL of your newly created landing page. Now, open LinkedIn in another tab. Navigate to your profile by clicking on your profile picture. Look for the Edit button on your profile page. In the Contact Info section, click on the pencil icon. Paste your Carrd landing page URL into the website section. Choose the type of link you want to display. Click Save to update your profile. Your landing page is now linked from LinkedIn. You can share it with your network. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.